Okay, I hope you guys can see me, but anyways, it's morning and we are going to Kingston to bring my cousin to go get something. It's like 4 or something like that in the morning. Yeah, 4:32 a.m. I'm supposed to be there for like 6:30, which we're probably not because it's gonna take at least 3 hours to get to Kingston and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that we had to fin right now. Just waiting for everyone to get into the car, and then we're on our way to go. I feel so tired, and the fact that I have so much on right now and it's so early. Let me do a quick snap.
Put him guard on a bus. Who snap me? Lad.
So yeah, I'm in Abora when we are do road. I'll try to capture as much as possible regarding scenery. Maybe I'll get more when we're coming back. But yeah, that's what I'm up to for now. So catch you guys later. But it looks like ZO-ESHAAA breed. Yeah. Yeah, so we stopped at the gas station. Yeah. To get some breakfast. Love these. So yeah, that's what we are doing right now. Okay, Uncle John, look. We are chatting to somebody right now, isn't it? Yeah, look. We are chatting to somebody up read. You know, look how she water. Yeah. So yeah, back on the road again.
Bop.
We're there.
We're there. Foreigner there.
Let me check my aisle now. Let me check my aisle.
What that mean?
And that bush you should have depend.
Oh, that was a mistake.
Are you crazy? Morning to everyone and everyone to everyone and everything. And so yeah, back on the road.
Yeah, drink your coffee in a heart.
That's why I'm not drinking now.
Isn't it supposed to be hot? Look here, we are not bridging.
It's soon done.
Off to Kingston, people.
Off to Kingston, yeah. Where we are go again? No, where place name again? No, where the Constant Springs.
She's so ratchet.
And America, she come from, you know, Toronto. Me I come from. We don't have ratchet people in Canada. Okay? Not even one. But anyways, look up more because I can't catch no scenery for you guys right now because yeah, this is the new hospital.
Oh, they said it at
Hospital.
Hospice. And
yeah,
we done kill them already. Get back to the money. All them a preach and preach. Step over they go beat and teach. Them a drive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see. Go over they go beat and teach. Man drive with the ear tape and the car seat. Boy mouth full of concrete. So the police side fight for years. Them don't see. Them boy that could the last 1 week. From them fuck with the families man they have to week. See them so me see. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat.
familiar to you guys. Tati, big up yourself. I had a One of my fellow YouTubers came here on her way back from when she came here and did a meet and greet. She came. Ooh, look how pretty! Yes. Yeah. So this is where Tati had come after her meet and greet. It's super pretty though. It's super pretty though.
Come fast,
What is
time
this?
eh?
Where are we?
Yes,
Okay, voila.
All this time, we forgot to remember.
Yo, bitch, yo.
You guys, but now Mama wants a picture.
Ano di self ayo self take ko sa i-place. Yes, self take.
What's your?
And it's so nice
Because
because the sunset is, I mean the sun is setting.
Selfie okay. Woman can go to Santa no. Yeah. No Nike no. No Nike no. Take to come over na yo.
But the Mama, yeah, close.
The man want to work with.
I'm so done.
Take more than one. One is good.
That's what I'm going to get some further.
One is good.
What's that? For you get skip?
That was fun while it lasted. Russ, my compound tour.
No, man.
Yeah. My compound tour. You see me?
Start.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
I think more possibly see depending on the time. Yeah?
You can't believe your name they go come at anchovy tomorrow.
Yeah? Me never know one never tell me nothing.
Yeah, so
They think that it's Saturday, that's why.
I thought you had no.
Take man for food, take man for that stop shot. Jump in on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We a do we think, cause you know say me no love chat. Rest them well firm, plus the ass well fat. Gosh, you damn hot, roll like a race track. Waistline small, me I wonder where you get that. Me not have no time for your waist, girl, come over my place. Let me tell you this straight. We can fuck if you feel like you want to. And we can do the things where you feel you need to. And we can run the place like you need to do it too. Come and swear for my life, my girl, so me not gonna leave you.
Give a witch pussy. It's a diamond mine and a bitch pussy. Me no want your money, me man rich pussy. So for me, this thing you not live to see. So you won't give me champagne, wine glass. You won't give me Rolex, time pass. You won't give me plane flight, first class. Me still no say you, me say, oh. They say I should leave you alone, but I can't believe you're not here with me. No, I can't.
Watch out.
Me a real youth, no for them I see through. Come round for the free food, can't fool me fool. Who no think, me no know. Mankind is a werewolf, and we change with the full moon. Give them a helping hand, you get gunshot in return. Road to success, now miss the turn. Tell me why you dish me dirt. Good thing, me not beg your door. Thank you, God me pass the worst. Shawty, know you.
Way too much enemies. I can feel it in the breeze. I might be chilling in the grill. Oh, I'm living overseas. Yet still the bad mind fuck of them. Want me things I'm to say, but I'm a wrist still afraid. I'm a neck still afraid. Me not beg them nothing. So if me not with them now, no me no want hear nothing. Them boy they brain squeeze up with them cornrow. I just money and girls and fun.
We reach ya now. Step on toll road ya now. Yeah.
order. I don't know, you know.
No, yeah, exit the bar.
Oh,
thank you. So kind. You know how much machine I wish you them good luck them someday.
The president man in the car, you know. For instance, you see that I'm up here, first one, let's up here. When I exit up here, it's like him. No loss, okay. But then, you know, I get done. I'm going to do something like a mad function.
But Jesus.
I watch them, I watch me. I watch them, I chat me. None of them can stop me. Oh God, they wish them would have flapped me. Me unruly, I'm not change. Me not change. Me no give a fuck who no like papyrus ways. Me not change. Who I can miss me a road and miss wheel. Be all I can me appear. Sweep on me life, say me never ride beer. And me know say no boy can't trick whistle beer. Unruly God say fi make them know. If them this cheer me a gunshot blow. Them a pray for me dead pan a tour in a store. Me laugh and kill both them.
When we get gunned down, in a broad day, what the things we do, what the words when you say, flat out by your back, that a little days, all of your little dreams and aspirations, them gone to waste. What the fuck would you think? Nothing this is a game, when I fall upon a concrete in a blood in a pain.
Elsa.
Yes.
You can take off your glasses now. Yo, this is crazy. Why is there so much? What is it? Fog, smoke? That's crazy. You can't even see the sun.
I grade in a brain, big shot in a chest. Him can't go get up again. My go Henny Garrison, still have me watch on my chain. And in the weapon they got them off of my mama name. Brooklyn, New York, Toronto the same. Fuck yourself, you not go get just a broke and a respray. And if me say you forget it, you actually get the flame. Could I do this now? Me sleep, I'm still up a campaign. People are
Hustler, baby, you know that I'm me. Fuck some real star, girl like Gwen Stefani. Artists that goes through the world, prefer me. Pay for them song, them play mine, them play for free. Pussy them a say me so flat, but I like that. Girl a drive and a me a the pilot. Any boy violate them, a man a fly that. Yeah, this unruly. Pussy don't try that.
Me a couple dog, me know that ain't for me. Better say no, better say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I have to protect the dog, them member, enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are pre one, I'm a brother, then you want to bring me.
Yes, good morning.
Sure.
How are you? Did
Really
you see I
wanted
called
some
you yesterday?
fruits.
Did you see I called you yesterday?
So much traffic, it's ridiculous.
Oh, you were in Kingston. Oh, you get any message from your parents that anybody come and check you yesterday? Really? Oh, what job you did?
Dog, no, so we had pan a call. 4 rifle in upon the wall. On my car. Drive up, pull up on foot. Boys, product like saying, damn, yeah, better road like that. Yeah, we are go hard, we are go hard. This is for bread that you must have mad. That I go down to my mark. Who me not like, and I like. Who me a why, you a why. Me a couple dog, a bust in the head for me. Better say no, better say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me.
I'm prepared for tasty. Anyways, we are, where are we?
Tasty.
Oh, this is Tasties. Never mind, because I like Tasties. So why did you say you wish you stopped at Tasties?
Come to my mother's.
That's what I thought it was too. Aki and Kalaloo sandwich.
Oh, Aki. Oh,
Whoa, Aki and Kalaloo sandwich.
it's not together.
Huh?
Aki and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish. Oh, Aki and callaloo. Where is Aki and callaloo? Yeah, Aki and plus it's separate. Aki and callaloo.
What did I say wrong? It said Aki and Kalaloo sandwiches. That's exactly how I read it.
One more time, please. Don't take Aki.
Callaloo pat it would probably be like a callaloo patty, if anything. Same type of foolishness. Yeah, but I want beef patty, because
Number one color one. I want cut.
I wanna morning. Can I get a beef patty, please?
One patty again.
With beef?
Yeah. And this.
Callaloo sandwich.
And then I need pineapple back.
Drink. Can I get a guava pineapple? Can I get a guava pineapple one? The fresh guava pineapple.
Yeah, the sweet one.
Sweet one.
No, okay, that's the fresh one. You want the sweet one.
No, don't listen to him. I'm sure the name brand fresh. You must say fresh.
How much are they?
605.
605.
You lied to me this whole time. You only have more money. So it's paper, that's not money.
Friends.
Oh, I should have tried the jerk chicken patty. Don't be like, now have no direction. Oh, something just been up, stop. Just waiting for my food. Now, am I still recording? Yes, I am.
A little bit off time.
Yeah, we're a lot of it off time, actually. A lot of it off time. But I'll say though. Anytime you're supposed to be anywhere for a specific time, when you're rolling with this family, you never reach on time. And then you have people like her, where you say, "Go order." Hi people, hi people, and them just did they at Tory, you understand? Like such an out of place for them.
No, can I get another?
She had the paper, so that has to be ours. Unless she dashed the other one.
It's okay.
I'm so excited for this patty. Oh man, little girl. Yeah.
What do you mean go right from there?
Yeah. Right. So you have to pay if you go back.
Yeah, be tripping.
You don't think so? When you go back on the toll, you think it's free. It's to go back. You think it's free?
Look here, I know come at the cost when I'm on road and everything. Now then prepare road for
Paid, right? You understand? Yeah, up the ground. You think if a boss they take it, can I tell them say you know I'm here?
Old Jamaican ginger beer.
Where's the first receipt that you had?
You must have the old one.
I want to see it out.
When we told you to come in the line, you had one receipt.
You want to make you the $50 chain business?
I put here. Oh, it's a problem for you.
No, that's not. That's what. Let me say what it is.
What's your coffee?
No, then that's a few.
What you are now?
Color loaf. I want something. Did I come back? I'll tell you one color.
mean, what I'm saying is, where's the receipt? Because if they're calling a number, how do we know what number it is?
Anybody? Where was it? Them close. The girl, you know what I'm cash me?
Yes. That's what I'm saying. She had it. The only one we have in every hand is here. But yours wouldn't have been on it. Yours would have been a different one. Because we already got the receipt from the first one. Thank you.
No, one of them she gives me. The one with the first one.
That's what I was saying. Yo, and I'm telling you, and I'm here telling you, like, there's supposed to be a next one. Just like old times. So much confusion.
Man, I'm feel like I'm still asleep. You know, drop asleep, not tired.
Every time I would look up, I was like, "Oh, look at this! This is a nice scenery shot." You mind here? Thank you so kindly. You can manage all the way up in your hand. Oh, go down more.
Waiting is there.
I thought he said, "Give me his." He said, "Give me his." Beef.
You want to see him over here?
Mother. Where are you? What are you?
Give them to Sarah. Are you there?
She asks if mothers, they have a thing up here and if say, "Wally."
Where I pay? Where you come from?
And Bobby, where we come from?
Yeah.
Oh god. They don't have straws?
Here?
She gave it to you?
No, I'm here. All there.
I'm not putting my mouth on this. Do you see this? Do you see this?
Listen, no? I need to help you.
I'm not put it on the spout. I'm not put it nowhere near here, so.
Oh.
Yeah, go and get one straw.
I'm looking for attitude in here, so. I'm looking for attitude in here, so.
Yo, all of them from the girl. Punk.
Punk, I'm getting put out of the camera. I'm tired of it. I'm barely looking at the phone.
Take 5 off the order. I think my line to one out. Oh, color song.
Oh, no, she's color.
What do you color? Yeah.
Where did you eat callaloo yesterday?
Let me see.
Yeah, me hit the wall out of people. Look. Well, I there. Look, can't see it. Maybe a belly bus.
Tomorrow, Friday. Tomorrow, Friday. Tomorrow, Friday.
Yeah, everybody going. I can't breathe. Oh God. Anyways, what I did want to tell you say. I come on one place, come buy food, right? We there doing in the Park Plaza, lot 2. And we come a BELLIBUSS. We are here at BELLIBUSS having some breakfast, even though we thought initially it was called Tasties, but the receipt.
Remember what the mother is?
No, it's BELLIBUSS, but it's tasty patty.
So they only sell tasty patties?
No, they are BELLIBUSS.
BELLIBUSS right for the sign right?
BELLIBUSS is the name.
Yo, she's so late. Didn't we just point that out a while ago?
BELLIBUSS is the name of this stall. But
I think it's black.
they say it's tasty. So they made one tasty Kranium for tasty.
Like a vendor or something? Yo, I want to touch the lady. If you don't see her, but Uncle Dad, you can't smile up a little bit? Just squeeze in a little bit, man.
Yeah, me for smile. No, I'm not supposed to smile. Anytime I smile, I'm going to get tip on something. No. Certificate.
Salamane!
Salamane, but a BELLIBUSS. Salamane, but a BELLIBUSS.
Nobody would have cut that part. You like
If you go to the fan food, I'm going to laugh. I'm going to laugh. I see money walk out. Where are you, BELLIBUSS? What's your BELLIBUSS?
Coming in on my passport.
Oh my god. I can't.
Just because of BELLIBUSS.
Oh my god. Oh, me really come a BELLIBUSS and my belly really bust. Like it really bust for real. Yo, that baby's ass is humongous. Like, excuse me. They said my bum looks the same. Are they dumb?
Alright, non-stop now.
Alright. Thanks, belly. We left BELLIBUSS, you know, to the passport office, you know. Down, down, around town. Papi, yo, can you hold this for 1 second? One. I didn't want to lock it. I'm keeping this receipt. I'm putting it in my memory box.
Now, up in my restaurant, Toronto name BELLIBUSS. I change my name. I'm going to change the name of my restaurant.
Oh, so it is called BELLIBUSS. It's so funny. Look at the person, the symbol for it. It's like the guy lying down with his belly just up. Yeah.
And then put that one in a wheelchair, see? Now put that one in a wheelchair. Wheelchair parking. Wheelchair parking. Handicap parking. The wheelchair parking.
Yo, I hate you. I swear. Yo, now it's hot.
Yeah, very.
It's hot. Yeah, hot, you know. Alright, look at more people here.
Me can't see the road good. Oh, Mr. No.
We're going to come here, grab a stuff to make it on canner.